I don't care if my children get 90. I will always see them as my child. I don't care how angry I get at them. I will always find a way to get over it. I can get into an argument with my children and I will never pull out all my guns. Now they might disagree with that because I got some cap guns that's pretty tough. But to pull out my AK-47 and let you have it like you're my enemy, I would never use that, even if it means letting you win. Because I learned that as a parent, your words leave scars so deep that when the emotion is over, the scar remains there. You ain't nothing. You're stupid, and you ain't never gonna be nothing. That comes out of emotional rage. Then the emotion goes away, but the scar and the echo stays. I didn't know that. I learned that. I learned to be careful, even when I'm angry. So if we start going at it, I back out.
Please.
I back out because I have the tongue of death. If I turn it loose, let me tell you something, I don't know why, but I'm not scared of none of you sisters. I know y'all got some. On you, but I can hang. If they turn me loose and cut off these cameras, I can